Well, our parish sports, St. George's, will be next Wednesday, the 24th of February. And we will be taking the students at the National Football and Athletics Stadium. And we feel that all the other parishes should have a taste of the new facility. And it bothers me a lot that the GUT organizing committee would like to have the sports at the Progress Park, which is like a retrograde step. I think the facilities at the Progress Park, of course we know it is inadequate, and there is the added burden of extra logistics to get to and from that facility. Not downplaying the fact that, of course, the other parishes should get a piece of the pie, but it is for the best interest. We have the National Primary School at the new facility that get a feel of what is to expect, years of development to participate in CUT games and other things. And the third term, which is the Trinity term, we have 14 weeks this year. And after Common Entrance and MCT, we have weeks to spare. And I think that's a good time to have our sports. So rushing to have it in March, on the 10th of March, I don't see the wisdom in it. We can have it later, the third term, where we'll have more fun, more participation, and of course the children, all the children will have the opportunity to participate and showcase the talent on the best facilities in the Caribbean right now.
Yeah, and you say that in the backdrop that the facility, as you say, at Queen's Park is a world-class facility.
It is.
And given the opportunity for all the athletes at the primary school level to participate just as intercall.
Yes, I think that is only fair, because it is not fair in my thinking, in my way of thinking, where St. George's could have our sports in the stadium and the other parishes cannot run there. We all have to go up to the Progress Park, inadequate facilities and all the other logistical problems. I think we should be fair. The third term is long enough, and it will be the best thing to have it there at the National Track and Field and Football Stadium.
Nigel, there has been always that focus on the intercall or the secondary school athletics championships, but you see there should be at least some importance given to primary school athletics as well.
Of course, primary means first, and primary is a cradle of all the sporting talents we have, and we nurture them from the primary schools. Ask Kirani, with his experience in the St. John's RC School or the St. John's Anglican Primary School. Ask Melanie Rodney about her experience in the St. George's Anglican Junior and Senior School. We prepare these people from the primary school, and focus must be placed here. In fact, today, while we run off our heats, we have that problem with inadequate facilities and implements and so on. And we have so much talent, but the children are not used to these implements only when they reach the secondary school. So I think a lot more of emphasis, more emphasis should be placed on the primary schools so that we can get a better output in terms of athletes like Kirani, Melanie and others.